Ladies and gentlemen, notwithstanding that superlative introduction, please allow me to introduce myself. I am the UP graduate who has, in a modest way, focused national attention on the political malady known as logopedics. Logopedics, the branch of medicine that deals with speech disabilities and their treatment. Kasi ang ibang tao sa impeachment trial, hindi marunong magsabi ng totoo. Kaya binibigyan ko sila ng speech therapy. For politicians like me, commencement speeches are a regular feature of the calendar year. But when the invitation comes from UP graduates, I consider the invitation to be more powerful than a